Okay, RM, we're in February, and today I got this microwave French fry maker, and interesting. See what's inside. Just two pieces of plastic. So it's about $15 on eBay. I'm not sure you can even buy these anymore. They're so old. So it's basically just two tops and a box. So let's give that a go and see what happens with it. Okay, so I chopped one potato. And very all simple. Stick them in. One here. Small ones might not work. Should be enough for test. There she goes. Away. I'm giving it about 2 minutes to see what happens from there. This is very old. I doubt anybody on YouTube will have this product. I've not seen anybody with it. So it's definitely a unique item if you find it from somebody. Probably will have to pay at least 20 bucks for it. So RM, thanks for watching. February video. First video in February. Okay, so it seems to be cooking the fries fairly well, but you don't have the browning look to it you would with oil. So if you want French fries in a quick way, then it's kind of okay. I'm going to put it back in it for another minute or two, and hopefully they'll be cooked. Thanks for watching. Okay, so I put it in for almost 5 minutes. Fries are cooked completely, and it's pretty good. A lot better than the potato pouch. There is another fry maker out there from Jiffy. I haven't tried that one, so be interested to see how that one works. Could use a little bit more time. Yeah. Could use a little bit more time. Okay, so it's been a little bit over 5 minutes, and they're not going to brown up on you. A little bit hot, but it's cooked a lot better. So thanks for watching. So it doesn't replace fried French fries, but it's not too bad. So RM, thanks for watching February 2018 winter.